A criminal charge doesn't have to end a person's story, but once they've entered the legal system, they are at risk for making some of the same mistakes that led them down that path. Here in Jackson County, we have a dedicated community justice department that focuses on helping individuals look forward and write a new chapter for themselves, all while keeping our community safe. You may have some preconceived notions, but after this video, you might be surprised about community justice today.
Community justice is based on the principle that no one agency can adequately provide for all of the needs of a justice-involved individual. The criminal justice system has many players, each doing their part, and community justice is that part where all players come together to make sure our community has safety, that the people involved have the opportunity to change, and that we have the best value in providing services for our community, keeping it safe while helping individuals change. For adults in Jackson County, community justice provides supervision, supports, and sanctions when necessary, utilizing evidence-based approaches across the board. By utilizing partnerships within the community, we can enforce conditions of supervision while making sure individuals have the tools they need to succeed. Working collaboratively is one of the things we do best, and it is the unique function of community justice within the criminal justice system.
It's no small feat. That is why we have a team of talented and caring individuals across multiple programs who work in tandem to achieve three main goals. Enhance safety for victims and community by reducing recidivism and the impact of further crimes. Create behavior change for individuals through collaborative coaching, surveillance, and intervention. Provide customer service through fair and individualized justice through teamwork and partnerships. Jackson County Community Justice does this with tried and true methods that have been used across the country and have research that backs up their effectiveness. These are called evidence-based practices, and they inform the specialized training that our probation officers undergo to better serve the specific needs of our clients. What does the treatment referral process look like?
After the probation officer completes the appropriate risk assessment, and that risk assessment determines that there is a need present for treatment, the probation officer can make a referral to any one of our numerous community partners for referral to treatment.
How has the treatment referral process changed over the last few years?
Over the last few years, community justice has been working closely with our community partners to both streamline the process, to get clients connected to treatment services a little bit more quickly, so that we can address their needs when they're exhibiting a desire for help or change or assistance. And we're also working to improve the line of communication between the counselor and the PO so that there's not as much disconnect, and that we can collaboratively work on their treatment plan along with the probation officer's case plan.
What types of treatment does community justice consider during the referral process?
Traditionally, we think of alcohol and drug treatment, but there's also mental health, there's medication-assisted treatment, there is cognitive behavioral, there's gambling, there's a variety of other treatment services that are available. If a client presents with multiple needs, ideally we'd like to work with a treatment agency that can facilitate as many of those needs as possible to minimize the barriers of getting connected to services.
And so why is it important to work with community partners?
Community partners provide services that are sometimes outside the scope of a probation officer's training. They provide professional, specialized services in areas that a probation officer may not be able to devote time to as well. Depending on the level of care that they're assessed at for a specific type of treatment, they may require meeting with counselors and groups and treatment professionals for an hour a week or many hours a week. And that the services that they provide, again, might just not be within the training of a probation officer because they are so specialized.
Thank you for learning about community justice today and the ways in which we are redefining public safety. We are proud of where we are today and look forward to the next chapter in community justice.